The iCH CPAP system is designed to fit nicely into your life and home, providing comfortable therapy with an attractive design. A built-in heated humidifier maximizes comfort, and ultra-quiet operations allow you to sleep peacefully throughout the night. Stylish, sleek, high-quality and robust exterior case, cool blue backlighting, and water chamber. Can even be used as a nightlight to relax the mind. The iCH is a CPAP that doesn't look like a CPAP. Its sleek design allows you to place it anywhere in your home. Compact and portable. Small footprint space. Only a half an A4 sheet. Definitely requires less space at the bedside. For people on the move, this product is travel, compact, lightweight, and easy to pack. It also has DC input to be used in your vehicle. User-friendly. SD card and mini USB for therapy data extract. Anti-backflow baffler spillage from water chamber. It also has hidden handle for easy pickup and carry. iCH is very simple to set up, use and operate, and easy to access usage data. The iCH Series CPAP is designed to introduce a modern and exciting concept. The holistic healthcare formula. Compliance to the power of 3+, elegance equals to lifestyle. An alternative definition to enhance the improvement of CPAP therapy and improve the patient's well-being is no longer a myth. Upholding the advancement of patients' lifestyles and improving clinical conditions. iCH compliance technology has 1. PVA pressure relief technology. The PVA is a technology designed to provide relief to patients who experience CPAP pressure discomfort by reducing pressure at the start of exhalation and return to the prescribed pressure at the commencement of inhalation. Pressure can be reduced by 3 different level settings, allowing the delivery of prescribed pressure at a time when the patient needs it most without compromising comfort and compliance. Compliance 2. Stable and precise pressure output. Through state-of-the-art hardware design and pressure compensation technology, iCH makes the pressure variation as little as possible, providing an extreme stable pressure output to meet the prescribed treatment goal. Compliance 3. Efficient humidification delivery. iCH has 6 heating levels to provide the most optimal humidification according to individual needs, providing maximum comfort and encouraging long-term compliance. Elegance. The iCH CPAP system has been designed to merge effortlessly into your life and your home. Elegant and aesthetically appealing, iCH CPAP therapy promotes psychological and social confidence in the provision of effective therapy. Lifestyle. Simple and functional when delivering compliance, iCH enhances all aspects of the holistic approach, enabling freedom in lifestyle and improved quality of life.